This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting immediately. Update your Edge 60 Fusion to the latest system patch. Then go to Settings, Display, and tap Edge Lighting or Edge Display. Once there, toggle the feature on. Make sure you grant notification access when the dialog appears and exempt the phone from aggressive battery optimization for the launcher or notifications so the Edge light can fire reliably when notifications arrive. Now customize. Pick a color palette and animation style so the rim matches your wallpaper. You want contrast so the light is visible. Once done, set width and speed, slower for subtlety, faster for urgency, and assign the specific apps that will trigger the effect. Make sure to hit preview to see how it looks in real time. If notifications don't trigger during testing, reopen the app list and toggle each app off and on to refresh permission states. Finish by saving your changes, locking the phone, and sending a test notification to verify the Edge light fires as expected. If it doesn't, first confirm notification access and that battery optimization isn't blocking the responsible app. Turn off optimization for the phone app and the notification source. Then restart the device. If problems persist, try a reputable Edge Light app from the Play Store that requests notification access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.